How to monetize TikTok account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok account. Log into your TikTok and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on profile located at bottom right corner of your screen and then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then click on TikTok Studio, which is the first option. In here, you will find monetization. Click on monetization, view all, which is at the right side. Click on view all in monetization, and you will find all your list from which you can monetize. Click on view all in programs for you. After you click on view all, you will find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, I am ineligible to apply. To be eligible, you need to get gifts, subscription, work with artists, live leads, and this is how to monetize TikTok account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.